Hi, I'm George with Efficient AC Electric and Plumbing in Austin, Texas. Today, I'm going to talk about the importance of ductwork and how to know if yours needs work. Cleanly run, properly insulated, leak-free ductwork is essential in delivering optimal climate control, efficiency, system life, and low operating cost. If your HVAC indoor unit is the heart of the system, the ductwork is its veins and arteries. In many cases, when a homeowner says they think they need a new system, they may just need ductwork repair or replacement. A new system on poor old ductwork is a marginal solution at best. So how do you know if you need new ductwork? Your clues are hot or cold rooms, insufficient air delivery, high utility bills, and condensation at some undesirable points. And maybe a really cold attic in the summertime. Again, those are clues. The best way is to have a professional inspect and test the system, comparing it to a load calculation. Sometimes ductwork has deteriorated to the point where testing is a waste of time. For example, large visible failures in the duct materials, air open to attics, no flow to some rooms, and you will easily be able to see this. Some rooms are also lacking a return air path, and these are easy to spot without full testing or replacement. For the rest, we're back to testing. So if you're questioning your AC system's performance or considering replacing your system, be sure to include ductwork assessment as an important part of the equation. My goal in this video was to give you an efficient answer to your AC questions. If you have other questions, please leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. And if you are in Central Texas, you can call us to schedule an appointment. Bye now.